Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's look into the pie charts and the donut charts in Matplotlib. So when are the pie charts used in Matplotlib? Pie charts are used to compare categories which total 100%. So there are some categories and it totals 100%. So for comparing such categories, we use the pie chart. To create a pie chart, we use the pie method, that is ax.py, and then we give the values, which is the mandatory field, label, start angle or other attributes which are optional in nature. Pie charts are usually shown as to how they make up a whole. So we can use percentage and the total percentages should add up to 100%. So in such scenarios, we go in for the pie charts. Now let's look into it with the help of an example. So initially let me say import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then let me use object oriented plotting method. So let me say fig comma ax is equal to plt.subplots. Now let me take two lists. One is the countries list and one is the products list. So countries equal to a list. In that I'm having the values like India, Germany, China, Japan, Brazil, and other countries. So I name it as others. Now I'm having my products list, which is equal to products. For India, the value is 20,000. For Germany, it is 5,000. For China, it is 7,000. For Japan, it is 10,000. For Brazil, it is 9,000. And others is 13,000. So these are the products sold in India, Germany, China, Japan, Brazil and other countries. So using these two lists, let's represent a pie chart. So for representing the pie chart, I use ax.py, x equal to products. So the values are nothing but the products. So these are the values which I have to plot and these are the labels. So x equal to products and there is a attribute called start angle, which I give it equal to 0. Then I'm having my labels, which is equal to the countries. So India, Germany, China, Japan, Brazil and others are nothing but the labels. So labels is nothing but countries. Then I'm having a parameter called explode, which I have to give it in the tuple format. So for now, how many ever values are there, I have to give those many values. So there are 6 values. Let me initially give it as 0. So 6 zeros have given. And then I'm having the percentage. To convert these values into percentage, I use an attribute called auto percentage equal to, in quotes, let me give it as percentage 0.f, sorry, 0.0f percentage. So this will represent the values in the percentage format. Now let me give a title to my figure. For the figure, so set underscore title, products sold in different countries. Products sold in different countries. And let me show my plot by saying plt.show. It will display the plot onto the screen. So now when I run this particular code, I get my pie chart in this particular manner. So India accounts to 31% of the total values. India accounts to 31%, Germany 8, China 11, Japan 16, Brazil 14 and others is 20. So the total is 100%. This percentage we get with the help of auto PCT, auto percentage. And labels are nothing but India, Germany, China, Japan, Brazil, others. So these are the labels. India, Japan, Germany, China, Japan, Brazil and others are the labels. And start angle by default it will be at the 3 o'clock level. This is the 3 o'clock level. So it will be at the 3 o'clock level. And products is nothing but the products which are there in the, and X is nothing but the products, that is the products list. So now let me make some changes. The start angle, let me change it to 90 degrees. So it will be at the 12 o'clock position. So now when I run the code, it will be at the 12 o'clock position. So we can change the angles as per our requirement. And explode, if I make the first parameter equal to 0.2, it will get detached from the rest of the countries. So now when I run, see this has been detached. India has been detached from the rest of the parts. So this is to highlight that India accounts to 31%. So it has been just for reference. If we want it to be detached, we can give it as other than 0, 0.1 or 0.2. So it gets detached from the rest of the items. So these are the important parameter attributes: start angle, labels, explode, auto percentage. So this is how the pie chart works in Matplotlib. Now let's move ahead with the donut chart. In the donut chart, we add a hole by shifting the labels. At the middle, we add a hole, so it becomes in the shape of a donut. So now let's see how it works. For this, let me copy my earlier code. So pie charts basically are used when the total percentage amounts to 100%. So let me have the same thing, and here let me give my PCT distance. For donut, we have to shift the labels by some amount. So let me give it as 0.85. For donut also we use the same pie, but we add a donut shaped symbol in the middle of the pie. So now let me add a donut region. So I say it as donut underscore region equal to plt dot circle. It starts at the coordinate 0.0. So coordinate is 0.0. Radius is 0.70. And the face color is equal to FC represents the face color, and I give it equal to white. Now let me say fig equal to plt.gcf, that is get current figure, so it gets the current figure. Now fig.gca method I'm using dot add underscore artist, and within this I'm adding the donut region, donut underscore region, which I have earlier created. So I'm adding it to the current figure. The donut region gets added up. And for the I have to push the labels, percentage and labels. So I'm giving PCT distance is equal to 0.85. So now when I run the code, I get it in this particular format. It is in the shape of a donut, and India has been removed from the shape because I given explode equal to 0.2. If I make it equal to 0 and run the code, it will be in the shape of a donut itself. If I want to remove it from the rest of the other values, I can give the explode parameter. Suppose for Brazil, I want to change. So for this last but one, I can make it as 0.2. 0.2. So Brazil gets detached from the rest of them. So now when I run the code, Brazil gets detached. So whichever item you want to detach, you can include it in the explode attribute. And auto percent gives the percentages, and then labels is countries, that is others, Brazil, Japan, China, Germany, India are the labels. Start angle is 90, so it will start from here. If I give it 0, it will start at the 3 o'clock position. So now when I run the code, India starts at the 3 o'clock position. If I give 90, it will start at the 12 o'clock position. And a donut shape, that is a white circle, has been added in the middle of the pie chart. So we're adding the donut region to the middle of the pie chart. So it becomes a donut chart. Hope so friends, it was clear for you the two charts, that is the pie chart and the donut chart in Matplotlib. So pie charts are used to compare categories totaling 100%. To create a pie chart, we use ax.pie. They usually represent how they make up a whole. So pie charts are usually shown as to how they make up a whole figure. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.